Here we'll do a word problem that involves similar triangles. We're told that Joe is 6 feet tall and casts a shadow 10 feet long. If Joe is leaning on a lamppost that's 15 feet tall, how long is the lamppost's shadow? First, let's draw a picture of Joe. We'll mark that Joe is 6 feet tall by putting a 6 next to him, and then we'll draw another line representing his shadow. We'll note that this shadow is 10 feet long. If you use your imagination, you can see that this makes up 2 of the legs of a triangle. We'll go ahead and finish completing this triangle now. Now Joe's next to a lamppost that's 15 feet tall, so we're going to draw a longer vertical side for that. This lamppost will cast an even longer shadow. We know that this lamppost is 15 feet tall, so let's mark this as 15. And then notice in the question, it says, how long is the lamppost shadow? When you see the words how long, that means that this amount is an unknown. And the part that's unknown is the shadow. The part that you don't know, you will mark with a letter. Doesn't matter what letter, you could use S for shadow, but I like X because that's what I'm used to. We'll complete drawing the triangle here. And so now we have 2 similar triangles. Now to find the length of the shadow, we can write the ratios of the sides. Let's look at the sides that we know about first. You might notice that for both triangles, we know what the vertical side is. For the triangle on the left, our vertical side is just Joe's height, which I marked with 6. For the triangle that's on the right, we can see that it's 15 for the vertical side. We'll mark which is which now. Our unknown is going to be one of the horizontal sides, which I've marked with X. The small triangle has a length of 10 for the horizontal side. The large triangle has a length of X for the horizontal side. But since we've written 2 ratios, we can now do a cross product. We'll write our first fraction. Our vertical sides were 6 to 15, so we'll put 6 on top, 15 on bottom. Then we'll write equals. Then we write our other ratio, which is 10 to x. We'll multiply the 6 times the x, and this will give us 6x. For the right, we'll multiply the 15 times the 10. This will give us 150. Then we divide both sides by 6. When I divide by 6 on the left, the 6 on top and the 6 on bottom will cancel out. This leaves me with just x on the left, and then 150 divided by 6 will come out as a decimal number, and so we'll go to our calculator. In our calculator, we'll take 150 divided by 6. This gives us an answer of 25. Therefore, our answer for this question, our unknown length of the shadow, is 25. Make sure for this class that if you're given a unit, that is, in this case, feet, that we also specify that 25 is a number of feet. In Math 110, they tend to be pretty big on including units whenever they're given. They're not given for every problem, but if they are given, we make sure to include them. Therefore, if you answer just 25 without saying feet, it may be counted wrong. Consult your instructor to be sure.